ham and cheese toasties in the Omnia oven. You don't need much to make a great lunch or a late-night snack. Just some slices of bread, ham and cheese. Place ham and cheese onto the bread and fold it in half. Press it down firmly to seal the sandwich. Or use 2 slices of cheese for that extra melt. Now let's prepare the Omnia, the flame diffuser, the base, the pan, the first baking tray, the second baking tray, and the lid. Place the first layer of toasties on the baking tray. Add the second tray with some baking paper. Fill it with more toasties. I use a small rack to gently press them down. Place the lid on top. Set the base on the flame diffuser, then place the pan on top. Turn the heat to high for 5 minutes, then lower the heat to medium-low. Place the lid slightly tilted on the pan. This allows more hot air to circulate and gives the toasties a nice golden colour. Check them occasionally. These need a little more time. Try not to open the lid too often, or you'll lose heat. After about 15 minutes, they are ready. The toasties on the lower tray may still be a bit soft on the bottom. Just place them briefly on the top rack over the heat. And now, enjoy your toasties. See you in the next video. Ma.